years, and I see that you built it in a very short time. So kudos to that. So the main discussion we had was about how could we integrate AI into this website, and get your foot in before it's too late in this industry. So the website itself has a lot of content. You're producing content, and there are multitudes of ways to introduce AI into this scenario, right?
Yes,
And
correct.
the word AI is very large. It can mean a lot of things. It can mean developing algorithmic models, like mathematical models to make some predictions about future investments or some sort of trends. But at the same time, like since last year, since ChatGPT got released, now AI also means about launching very human like chatbots, okay, which can really understand information, process information, and communicate in a non rule based manner. So before we go into discussing what features can be released on a timeline basis, or what can be done first, I want to share my screen and show you some things I've been playing around with, and make you see what's possible. How does that sound? Yeah, yeah. Entire screen share. Okay, I'm sharing from British G's laptop. He's with me. Yeah. Okay, so what I was doing is, going through the Masterstroke website, as you can see. So I'm in masterstrokeonline.com. I was going through different features in the website, looking at different calculators, looking at different research documents, and I was trying to analyze how I can embed chatbot, a AI-based or Chat GPT-based chatbot here. So let's say I opened up this SIP required for monthly target SWP. I have this particular PDF opened, right? And let's say my persona is that I am new to finance. I'm an amateur. I don't understand anything. And I want to have a detailed understanding of what's being displayed here on the screen. Now, if you have a regular chatbot which was available in the industry for a long time, you had to have a rule-based chatbot. You would tell the chatbot, okay, if the user asks what is accumulated corpus, then answer this question. If the user asks what is annual investment and how do I calculate year-end value, then answer. So it's like a very rule-based system where you have to feed everything in the back end, and based on the closest match to the question, the answer would come up to the user. Now it's different. AI is so advanced now that it's able to understand this entire document by itself, and it will tell you all the answers to the questions you ask. So I've already opened it up here. I have ChatGPT open here. ChatGPT is owned by OpenAI, which is now Microsoft. Okay, so here I downloaded this SIP, the same document, and I uploaded it to ChatGPT, and I asked it the question, "Can you explain what this SIP document pertains? I'm an amateur in financial planning." So this is a very open-ended question, and what it's done is it's read this entire PDF, and within like a couple of seconds it's given me this output of, okay, this is what the PDF is talking about. It's a financial plan for systematic withdrawal plan, and everything in detail. I, and I can ask follow-up questions, so I can continue asking it questions. And similarly, yesterday I was playing with, if I go to MF research, and let's say we download a scheme snapshot.
Yes.
I'll do this live in real time now. Let's say I just select a couple of different plans. So I've downloaded this plan, right, of two schemes and a comparison of that. So now let's go back to our chatbot, and if I upload that particular PDF, let's say I've uploaded these scheme snapshots, and I'm going to ask it. Um, oops, I think it's too large for this. Okay, let me just download one.
Keep करो पहले.
It's uploading. Hold on. ओके, यहाँ पे थोड़ा लाइक पीडीएफ साइज का प्रॉब्लम आ रहा है, बट लेट्स कंटिन्यू आस्किंग इट क्वेश्चंस फॉर द previous PDF I was able to upload. So my point is, it's very human like. It has capabilities to understand mathematical pointers within the PDF. It's able to understand what financial planning is. It's able to answer very open-ended questions. And now that the AI has gotten to this level, you can use it for any kind of solutioning within your platform, right? Abhi, I was just discussing with Brijesh ji about, what can we do right away? How can this be useful? If we go back to Masterstroke, you can usually what happens is you have a chat bot, and the users who could be advisors or new customers who are still not subscribed, right? So they can come and ask questions. So there are two kinds of questions that you can immediately handle through these chatbots. The first one is, if you have advisors who are already subscribed, the content within your particular website is too much, right? You have a lot of different content, which is amazing. But as a new user, it's very hard for people to find what they're looking for. So you can have a chatbot here which can help you navigate the website. That is, if you tell it that, okay, you're looking for where to find the schemes, or where to find the calculator to find returns after 50 years or 30 years, it can direct you in talking terms that, okay, go to membership and click here, and this is what you have to look into. Similarly, if you already found some information, like here you already found information and you're not able to understand what is displayed, you can have like a chatbot on the side which can help you understand this information. You can ask it general open questions like you're talking to a advisor, like a human advisor, and it can give you questions. It can give it replies. The best part is now, like, text to speech has also come out. That means, apart from just having verbally written responses, you can have the chatbot speak to you. So that's another level of advancement that's already available, right? Okay, are you following so far? Any questions?
No, no questions. But
Okay. Chachu, do you have any?
Yeah. So my question to you is that can we do this? Not necessarily. I'm not looking for, you know, you
Yes.
have to
Means,
speak and yeah, Saurabh, can you?
yes, sir. Means it's generally a guidance kind of thing. Means
What is
it is,
available, what you can do, how
what
you
you can do and how you can proceed through the entire website.
yes.
And the
Yeah.
first event will occur when the user writes something on that particular floating boat,
Yes.
and then the entire process starts. And I think we need to integrate the OpenAI over here.
Yes.
Yes.
So
Yes.
you're adding a new feature to your existing platform,
Mhm.
which is supporting the information. It's
Yes.
helping users understand the information on your platform better. You're not replacing the information on your platform. Right?
Yes, means the model need to be trained in that way also, so that the entire thing the bot should know, means how to guide and where the
बेसिकली जो
things
यूजर
are.
है अभी
Yeah.
क्या करता है, यूजर मेरे को फोन करता है ना करने के लिए,
हाँ
उसको
हाँ
काम
हाँ.
नहीं पड़े,
Correct.
आप वो
Correct.
समझ लीजिए एक तरीके से,
Yes. Yes. Yes.
जो भी चीज़ होगा मैं उसमें जाए अभी में, बट व्हाट इज द मीनिंग? हाँ, करेक्ट.
ठीक.
Right, right. So again, like now let's talk about two separate scenarios, right? You have a person who's coming to the web page for the very first time. They may be a subscriber or they may not be a subscriber. So if they're not a subscriber, you can have AI based chatbot, or like instead of this marketing card here, you can have something that's you can ask questions to explain why they should subscribe to the website, and give them like dummy reports or something, right? The chatbot can do anything. It can also generate PDFs. It can fill in information in the PDF. It's about what you ask it to do. So that way you're converting people into being a subscriber using AI. So that's one feature you can think about. The second one is, if you have subscribers, like when you log in, then the kind of page you see probably is a little different, a little personalized, but you still don't know how to use this website. So in that case, the chatbot can be a guide to navigating the website. That second scenario, navigation. Third scenario is, once you've navigated the website and now you're understanding and generating reports and looking at content, the third type can be to explain the content better and be like a personal advisor while you're reading that content, right? How does that sound?
Yes, because we need to train in that way also, so that the any type of questions the bot can answer, as you have shown in the in any chat, right? So, means
Okay.
it can be any questions that user might ask. No, means as Chat GPT is doing, Chat GPT is not specific to our website, right? He is giving a generalized answer, so we need to integrate that part as well. What I'm trying to say.
Yes, you're right. So now coming that you're now talking about how do you do it, like what is implementation plan, right?
Yes, yes.
So the easiest ways people do it right now is, you have the Chat GPI API as it is. You're not training it or fine tuning it in
Yes.
machine learning terms. You're not doing
Yeah.
any of that.
Yes. Yes.
In the prompt itself, you pass your entire code base. Okay?
Correct.
So your whole website code base, if you pass it, it can understand the code completely from
Yes.
main.py to everything, and it understands which button is going to which page, what it's capable of doing. So learning your code base, it will you can you can prompt the ChatGPT to make sure that it only stays within the guardrails of your code base and doesn't answer any open questions. So now when you start building this feature, you have to then experiment with these guardrails of telling it to not answer any questions not related to financial planning or anything not available in the website. That
Yes.
way, it will answer everything in the website and related to financial planning, but not general questions. Yeah, something on those lines. So today we are just discussing the possibilities, some features, but your team has to go back first,
Yeah.
read up on this subject, understand how prompt engineering works, and then define what feature you're going to build first.
And my the answer is already given. Actually, means step by step we need to integrate this one. First of all, maybe we need to read the entire thing, because for your information, we are using PHP, right? PHP is a Laravel framework, so there are lots of community-driven plugin is already there that can be integrated to means support OpenAI. Okay, so first of all, that needs to be checked how much the general data can be provided to that particular user. Means those types of questions that chatbot is already means the OpenAI is already giving to us, that we need to integrate, and the our means goal is to means convert the entire thing into text to speech. That's the last step. Means now we need to means figure out then how we can phase it out or something else.
Yeah. See, text to speech is a nice to have
Y-
feature. You can
yes,
get
yes, is the
um
so can we means think like this one, means first to integrate this one with OpenAI, then with our content, means to generally output type of result where that is entirely related to our website. Then in phase wise, or you need to integrate it in simultaneously, what exactly you are planning?
okay, let me tell you how you should play around with this. First, if you have an AI team,
Hmm.
just Jupyter notebooks,
Yeah.
you have to first get subscription to either OpenAI's
Yeah. Hmm.
API
Hmm.
or
Hmm.
Google Gemini API, and then pass your code base. It can be your complete repository, like the repository. You can pass that itself um, as text files, and you can then ask it to like behave like a chatbot that can answer navigation questions or answer financial questions based on the information in the repository. That's like step one for you to just create this chatbot and see how
It's
it will
working.
be
Yeah.
doing. Yeah.
Yes. Yes. Hmm.
So once you get that running even in a Jupyter notebook,
Hmm.
we can play around with the responses, see
Hmm.
what answers it gives, check
Hmm.
the quality. If you're not happy with it, then we'll go to more advanced
Yes.
um, like techniques of teaching the chatbot how to understand the web page.
Yes. Yes. Need to train it.
Yeah.
Yes.
course. In fact, we should start with CRM.
Sorry, for my understanding, what is CRM?
CRM is a
mean?
different software under the same brand name on a different website, match.masterstrokeonline.com. So this is the Masterstroke, and this is the CRM software.
Okay.
Two different logins. My question to you, Matrix team, is that have you done something like this in back? Have you understand the entire project? Is the Matrix team capable to execute this?
सर 2000 में हम लोग ने एक सॉफ्टवेयर बनाया था दैट इज search360.ai. द थिंग इज लाइक अ लिटिल बिट डिफरेंट, बट उसमें क्या था ना, चैट बॉट नहीं था, दैट इज आवर सर्च बॉट. तो वो काफ़ी सक्सेसफुली हम लोग डेवलप किए थे. मेरे अंडर में एक टीम था, मुझे एआई ज़्यादा पता नहीं है, बट हम लोगों ने उसमें क्या किए थे, हम लोग जितना सारा ई कॉमर्स वेबसाइट है, एक एपीआई होता था, उनका जितना डेटा जनरेट होता था, the entire data will come into our web server. उसमें आता था SageMaker या कुछ था अपना तब, तो उसमें से हम लोग डेटा को ट्रेन करते थे. अभी क्या होता था, किसी को भी सर्च 360 बॉट का एआई चाहिए होता था, we will give a script, simple script to him. जैसे वो उस पेज में इंटीग्रेट करता है कोई भी वेबसाइट, मतलब जिनको चाहिए सर्च वाला चीज, तो वो क्या होता था, सपोज स्पोर्ट्स काइंड ऑफ कोई कंपनी है जिनका वो है, चाह रहे हैं कि अपना इंटीग्रेट हो, तो आप अगर उस साइट में जाएं, द बॉट जस्ट 2 to 3 क्वेश्चन आस्क करता था उनको, एंड बेस्ड ऑन हिज डेटा यू विल गेट द रिप्लाई. सर्च करते थे हम लोग जैसे कि स्पोर्ट्स शूज, तो अभी आपका साइट में अगर एडिडास, नाइक, ये सारा चीज का ब्रांड है, तो वही सारा शूज जो शू प्रोवाइड करते हैं स्पोर्ट्स का, वही आता था, लिस्ट होता था. तो वो हम लोग ने एक डेवलप किए थे, काफी बड़ा चीज था वो. 2020-21 में था, अपना डेवलप किया गया.
तो
तो ये
सौरभ जी, इज वेरी सिमिलर कॉन्सेप्ट.
यस
जैसे
यस
आप पूरा रिपोजिटरी दे देंगे ना, इंटरनल सर्च ही होता है, क्योंकि कोई
यस
क्वेश्चन पूछें,
हाँ,
within the repository it has to find the
एंटायर
relevant
थिंग.
information.
यस. तो अपना साइट में क्या था ना मैडम, उसमें सारे चीज आ जाए. जैसे किसी का भी कोई भी वेबसाइट हो, किसी का वर्डप्रेस है, तो हम लोगों ने क्या किए थे, अलग अलग वी हैव क्रिएटेड सेपरेट एपीआई फॉर देम टू गेट द एंटायर डेटा रेगुलरली. तो वो उससे ऑटोमेटिकली फीड हो जाता था, और जो अपना मॉडल है वो रीड करता था, और उन पर्टिकुलर को हम लोग एक स्क्रिप्ट दे देते थे. उस स्क्रिप्ट से वो पॉपअप ऑटोमेटिकली जनरेट होता था, और जैसे आप सर्च करेंगे विद इन 2 to 3 क्वेश्चंस, मींस व्हाट यू आर सर्चिंग, 3 क्वेश्चंस, जस्ट 3 क्वेश्चंस इज देयर. तो उसमें से ही वो समझ जाता था हमको क्या सर्च करना है, एंड यू विल गेट द प्रॉपर रिजल्ट.
Okay.
तो ये हम लोगों ने बहुत सर्च 360 एआई बोल के था, तो अभी अपना साइट में है नहीं, लेकिन कुछ इमेजेस स्टिल इट्स देयर. मतलब अभी कंटिन्यू रन नहीं करा सकते हैं, बिकॉज प्रोडक्ट का काफी सारा सर्वर में कॉस्टिंग था, तो ये रीजन था. बट हम लोगों ने ऐसा एक डेवलप किए थे.
What are the next steps into this and how quickly we can do? Do you have the bandwidth? Because अभी इतने सारे प्रोजेक्ट्स ऑलरेडी आप हमारा कर रहे हैं, टाइमलाइन की बैंड बजी हुई है.
सर इसमें एक डेडिकेटेड अपना एक टीम है सर. फर्स्ट तो उससे डिस्कस कर लेना, आई गेस बेटर होगा, क्योंकि टीम अगर है तो सर ये सेपरेट प्रोजेक्ट, मतलब ये सेपरेट ही डेवलप होना चाहिए मेरे ख्याल
Next
से.
7 days, if you can proceed in this, because Minu will travel back to US, फिर वो time difference आ
यस
जाएगी.
यस,
And
ठीक
she
है.
has a full-time job there, so it will be very
तन्मय
difficult.
एक बार बात करो तुम, मेरा इनपुट लगे तो बोलो, आई विल गो. जल्दी बात कर लो. हाँ, वो ठीक है, दैट इज लैंग्वेज मींस, इसमें वो उसका प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, बट एक बार बात करो.
So the time today is 17th. The hard stop is 24th. After she will fly back. उसके बाद मीनू का टाइम लेना, कोऑर्डिनेट करना, मीटिंग करना बहुत डिफिकल्ट होगा मेरे लिए. इतने क्वेश्चंस हैं आपके, जो भी चीज हैं, if you can do this, if we agree that हाँ ये करना है, ये टाइमलाइन है, ये प्राइस लाइन है, we will want to proceed this in the next 7 days.
करेक्ट.
Any more questions from your side?
Yeah, I think apart from just implementation plan and technically कैसे करना है, you also have to look into subscription fee API का कितना है. आप like yearly budget, वो सब भी आप बता दीजिए पहले.
Correct.
Yeah. And I work with Google, so I know more about possibilities with the
Yes.
Gemini API. So if you have questions, I can answer those questions.
Correct.
ठीक है.
Okay, sir.
All right. Thank you for your time.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, everyone.
क्या एजेंडा बोलिए. No, I have delegated everything to Aishman and Shubhra. मेरे पास इतना समय नहीं मिलता तन्मय, और I have my own reservations and challenges. जिस तरह से जिस स्पीड से जो errors आ रहे हैं, I'm not happy. The team is working very hard. I appreciate that. But errors हमसे